Okay. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dinesh Khatri Chhetri. I am 37 years old. I am for Nepal. I have four members in my family. I have passed class 5. My height 5.5 feet and weight 67 kg. I like to from poultry farm working in Nepal, Kathmandu. I have 3 years of work experience as a poultry farm working in Nepal, Kathmandu. I will stay there for the long time. I cannot I can working any cold or temperature like up to 30 minus 10 degree. I complete I will complete my contract agreement of 3 years. I if not I am ready for dedication penalties. I will follow company replace and policies properly. And thank you.